Hey there! Today we're tackling a common problem many Python developers face: optimizing functions for better performance. In this case, we have a denoising function that processes a large amount of data with a specified window size. The initial implementation involves iterating over each element, which can be quite time-consuming. Luckily, there's a clever solution that can significantly improve the efficiency of this process, allowing us to get results in a fraction of the original time. Let's dive into the details. The key to speeding up this denoising function lies in utilizing Numpy's array slicing capabilities. By making a small but impactful adjustment to the code, we can eliminate the need for manual iteration and leverage Numpy's optimized routines instead. The crux of the solution involves generating a sum of sliced data along the specified axis, divided by the window size. This approach not only simplifies the code, but also drastically reduces the execution time, making it a much more efficient solution for processing large datasets. It's amazing how a simple tweak can lead to such significant improvements. In summary, optimizing functions for better performance is crucial when working with large datasets in Python. By strategically leveraging Numpy's array operations and slicing functionality, we can achieve substantial speedups without sacrificing accuracy. The solution provided offers a compelling alternative to the initial implementation, showcasing the power of Numpy in handling complex computations efficiently. With this optimized approach, you can streamline your workflow and tackle data processing tasks with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. See you in the next video.